Which is your favorite dance that you've ever done on screen?
Well, there's so many dances which I love, but like I said, Kahe Ched Ched Mohe is one of my favorite dances that I've done. But in a more like a Bollywood style or a style which was different, which was beautiful, I think was Humko Aajkal Hai Intezar. Because for the first time, the lady is not singing all the lines, she's expressing the lines, and the leading lady is just singing the chorus in the music. And I think Saroji's done a marvelous job, just the way she's taken the shots, the dance movements. We kept a little bit of folk, and yet we kept a little bit of the longing that a young girl has. She's waiting for her love, and you know those emotions, which came off beautifully, I think, in that song.
हाय
Okay.
अभी हाल ही में आपके ही गाने तम्मा तम्मा को रिक्रिएट किया गया और आजकल ये चलन भी काफ़ी हो चला है तो इस चलन को कैसे देखती हैं आप कि पुराने गानों को रिक्रिएट किया जा रहा है जो कि एवरग्रीन होते हैं और आपका क्या इस पे कहना है?
Well, I should have said that when आपने जब क्वेश्चन पूछा मुझे कि do people still like that, क्योंकि आजकल trend is changing, तो that itself proves that you know people still remember those songs, उन्हें फिर वो गाने लाने हैं वापस because they are still emotionally attached to those songs and they know that when people hear it, people are going to you know want to see the song. So so that kind of.
Madhuri, your basis has been your grounding in Kathak. And some of the films we've seen have had excellent Kathak numbers, but song and dance in film also is an extension of acting and storytelling. And can you recall one or two of the most Kathak-based songs which helped you in furthering a story and really enjoying all your padhans and your chakardars and all that, and at the same time, like in Pakiza that your husband mentioned, one or two instances where you thoroughly enjoyed using your grounding in Kathak to narrate a story. I also meant songs that helped you in storytelling.
Which songs really helped you?
You know, all the moves in Kathak are based on symbols which mean something.
Yes.
Like this thing or that the pizza thing that you told me.
Yeah.
How does the knowledge and the language of Kathak translate into storytelling in Indian films?
Well, when you dance in a film, it is not necessarily taking forward the story. Sometimes it's just the emotion that you are in and you're trying to convey that emotion. Like Mar Dala was one such song where it's all emotion. She loves this man, but she knows that he doesn't love her back. But she's like Meera, she still adores him. And so the expressions that will come, for me, they're rooted in my classical learning. And whatever expressions I wear, whether it's Humko Aajkal Hai Intezar, which is a folk song, it's a folk song. But how do I express with the eyes, with the eyebrows, or with just the muscles of your face, with your smile? How do you convey your feelings through your eyes? All that I've learned because I've learned Kathak. And there's Abhinay, which is a big part of learning Kathak. And because of that Abhinay, I can bring that element into any Bollywood song.
माधुरी जी, आपने आपके दौर में एक से एक बैक टू बैक हिट फिल्में दी हैं और आज 20-25 साल बाद ये जो दौर है तो सिनेमा में कितना बदलाव हुआ है, ये राइटिंग लेवल पर, डायरेक्शन लेवल पर, परफॉर्मेंस लेवल पर या ऑडियंस लेवल पर? क्योंकि उस समय सिंगल थिएटर थे, आज मल्टीप्लेक्सेस है तो ऑडियंस भी बदली है, तो क्या बदलाव महसूस करती हैं आप?
well, बदलाव ये है कि पहले फिल्में अलग तरीके से बनती थी, आज एक सिस्टम बनी है जहाँ पे ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन है, आपकी जो स्क्रिप्ट्स रेडी रहते हैं, आपको पूरा बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट मिलता है फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले, आपके डायलॉग्स, आपका लुक, आप किस सीन में क्या पहनने वाले हैं, क्या लुक होगा आपका, एवरीथिंग इज़ वर्कड आउट. तो एन एक्टर के लिए ईजी हो जाता है कि उन्हें सिर्फ कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है उनके परफॉर्मेंस पे वन शी इज़ ऑन द सेट. तो दैट्स अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग दैट हैज़ हैपेंड. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इतने सारे PVR थिएटर्स आए हैं, देयर आर सो मैनी, स्टिल वी हैव सिंगल थिएटर्स, वी स्टिल हैव मल्टीप्लेक्सेस. तो अगर किसी को एक फिल्म बनानी है तो वो प्लान कर सकते हैं कौन से ऑडियंस को टारगेट करनी है. तो अगर एक नीश ऑडियंस के लिए आप फिल्म बना रहे हैं तो उस हिसाब से आप बजट कर सकते हैं अपनी फिल्म, और एक नीश ऑडियंस के लिए वो फिल्म बना सकते हैं, और वैसी मार्केटिंग होती है फिल्म की. तो आज ब्रॉडर बेस पे आप अलग अलग तरीके की फिल्म्स आप बना सकते हैं और प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं.
I'm afraid
Hi,
the countdown
Madhuri.
is saying we are
Madhuri,
flat out
over
of
here.
time. This is the last question.
Hi,
for Lydia.
hello. Over here. The Madhuri, hi.
Someone's grabbed.
This is Priyanka. The song Pehla Pehla Pyar Hai from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun is the most romantic song ever. So tell us something about your real life Pehla Pehla Pyar, how you met Sri Ram Nene.
Well, I can tell you my pehla pyar was pehle pehle on the bike. You heard the story.
Yes.
So it was not such a smooth, like la 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 types. But emotions are something that, as an actress, like you feel so many emotions, right? When you are relaying that on screen, somewhere it's a pretend emotion. But when it happens in real life, I think the impact is much more than what you have imagined. Like when I did Pehla Pehla Pyar Hai, I had imagined that. कि ये मेरी ये feeling होगी when it's Pehla Pehla Pyar and I'm dancing. But when it actually happens, it just hits you like a ton of bricks, it's a different experience.
Sounds like a dialogue from Dil To Pagal hai right now.
Yes.